everyone. This is Melissa from DJ Event Planner, and today we're covering the change log topics from March 7th to March 28th, 2022. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. Under Website Tools, Request Information Form, Settings, then Anti-Spam Settings Submitted Form Content, we have added a setting that allows you to control the minimum number of days in the future that can be entered into the Request for Information form. Under Setup, Data Cleaner, the Data Cleaner for reassigning venues now includes an option to show or hide same as client venues. By default, it will hide the same as client venues, and you can click this button to show them. Under Reports, then Planning, the Planning report now includes the last logon date and time for the client. The goto redirect now works for planning-only clients. The redirect would look like this using your own DJEP account information. This sample is a goto redirect to the primary planning form for the planning-only client. Within client information, we have added the ability to delete selected events. Go to Main Menu, Clients, find the client, then click Full View. On the General tab, look for the Mass Delete Events in the Administrative Actions section. Next, under Setup, Application, Employee Settings, Employee Notifications, we have added a setting based on event status to control whether the employee notification of assignment to events is triggered. Under Website Tools, Client Portal, Settings, scroll down to Email Notifications. We have added a setting for Client Portal notifications to allow sending to all assigned employees. Previously, the setting was only for Master Administrator, Salesperson, and Primary Employee. Under Reports, Saved Documents, we have added a Date Created filter to the Saved Documents report. When adding an expense, there is now an auto-suggested feature for categories when a payee is selected. To see this, go to Financial, Expense, Add Expense, select your payee, and you will see suggestions for what category the expense could be posted to. A Contact Us inbox message now includes an Add Event to System button in the Contact Us message. We have added a setting to make the music system editable or not editable on a per-event basis. Navigate to an event in your account, click on Edit in the upper right corner, then go to the Planning tab. You have the option to uncheck the Edit button for the song request system. Next, please go to Setup, Application, Web Links. For internal web links, we have added a setting to allow them to be opened in a new window instead of inside the main frame. Under Setup, Data Cleaner, we have added a new data cleaner for expenses called Find Duplicate Expenses. The system looks for expenses that have been entered multiple times by accident. The system looks for expenses that have the same payee ID, amount, and date purchased. Next, go to Website Tools, Guest Requests, Settings, and navigate to the Wording section. We have added a setting to control the wording for the guest request system Music Selector Instructions. Previously, the guest request system used the wording from the Client Portal setting. This will allow you to put in different wording for instructions for guest requests. Navigate to your event list and click on the Filters tab at the top of the page. Under the Upcoming Events option, click on one of the date range options. We have added the following buttons to pre-fill the event list date range: this, next, and last for the year, month, or week. For the check availability pop-up for add-ons, an option was added to display alphabetically or by display order within each category. To use this, add a new event or edit an existing event, then go to the Financials tab. Click on the Add-on Availability button in the Package and Add-ons section header. You will see the option to display them alphabetically or by display order. Now onto the changes that have taken place in this time period. When you receive a client portal notification email, the information now includes the client email address, which will help in easier tracking to a client or event. Planning-only client merge tags are now replaced with blank values when used in events where there is not an assigned planning-only client. And we've made a number of UI and code changes to improve page load times. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, March 7th to March 28th, 2022. As always, you can find the latest updates to our change log by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can also view the change log in full window view by clicking on View the Change Log option.